Hello and welcome to my channel. Are there things in your life that you really want to do, but you're not doing them? Join the club. This is such a common theme. Let's dedicate our journaling time together today to see if we can uncover some insights to start taking good intentions and turning them into reality of things that we want to do and we actually begin doing them. On this channel, I share tips and tools for journaling and mindful living, and in many of my videos, such as this one, I do so by sharing a journal prompt and a guided journaling session. So if you haven't already, get cozy, grab your favorite beverage, your journal, writing instrument, and let's begin. I'd like to start by encouraging you to get comfortable, grounded, and relaxed. And it can be helpful to begin by taking a few deep breaths to facilitate this. So let's go ahead and do this now. You can close your eyes if you like, and then take a moment to feel your connection to wherever it is you're sitting. Then take a deep breath into your belly and let it go. Relax your shoulders away from your ears as you take another deep breath in and release, and then one more. So today's journal prompt, as I alluded to, is what are one or more things that I really want to do, but I'm not? But then to get to the real benefit in journaling from this, let's dig a bit deeper and also ask the question, why not? Why are you not doing these things? I encourage you to connect with your heart, your gut, and your sense of intuition as you open yourself to the real answer to the question, why not? Why are you not doing the things that you really want to do in your life? Now, it's likely that your ego is going to quickly feed you a bunch of canned answers and excuses and explanations to this question. And you can listen to these and then just let them pass. And close your eyes again and ask yourself the question again and again until you get this sense of knowing that what you've uncovered is the real reason for what's holding you back. You can turn off the video at this point if you like, and then come back when you're ready, and then I'll share my own personal insights to the way I answered the journal prompt. And once we talk these through, we can talk about, taking what you've discovered and making the best of it to craft yourself a plan forward to actually begin to turn your intentions into realities. So I actually asked myself this journal question a couple weeks ago because I wanted to see how things were going before I shared the results with you. And there were two main answers to the first question for me. The first one was that I'm not nourishing my body the way that I want to. And ultimately, my reasoning behind this wasn't that it's too hard, or I don't have strong willpower, or I don't like what I'm supposed to eat. These were actually the first responses from my ego. Ultimately, I found that what I should be and want to eat is just not appealing enough to me, and I was also finding it hard to remember the things that I should and shouldn't eat. So I love food and I appreciate really good food. So reaching into the refrigerator and just grabbing some raw veggies for lunch just isn't gonna cut it for me. And then when there's nothing else in the refrigerator that's wonderfully nourishing, that stands out and lures me to make it its meal, I just go the easy route and do whatever's easy, and then ultimately I'm not eating like I want to. So I realized by contemplating this a bit more that for me to find success in this area, I was going to have to get a bit more creative and start making things that actually appealed to me. So I decided to do some research and to find some recipes online. It's my intention to eat what's called a pitta pacifying diet. It's an Ayurvedic principle there that I'm trying to follow, and I also want to trend towards eating more highly alkaline foods as well. And I did find some recipes, but I'll be honest that it was rather slow going, and I wasn't able to find a wealth of recipes that met the criteria of both a pitta pacifying diet as well as highly alkaline. So if you know of any good sources for recipes like this, please let me know in the comments and share those with me. I did find, and I ordered 2 cookbooks that I believe I'll be able to find some inspiration in though. And I also found a website that had a really good easy list of the different types of foods that I should eat versus avoid, and I made that easily accessible for me on my phone, and it actually has helped a lot. And though I haven't received the cookbooks yet, I will say that I've already begun to eat much more like I would like to, simply by having some new ideas as well. So the second answer to my journal prompt was that I'm not exercising like I would like, in a way that I will gain strength and endurance while also improving my health. So my ego answered that I don't have time. And ultimately I realized that probably a little bit more the reality of it is that it's hard work, and quite often I honestly don't feel like it quite often. I'll have to let you know like how this one goes more in the long run, because I know this one's going to be a long-term work in progress. But I did decide to try a couple things to help, so I'll let you know how those go over time. First, it would be, I'm sure, very helpful to have some fitness goals and rewards. And I have been pondering these, but I haven't quite finalized them yet. And then I also realized that it would be a good thing to do to really shift my mindset in this area. So I decided a new daily affirmation to add to my list would be really helpful for this. And what I landed on was, I thrive on moving and strengthening my body. So it is helping. I'm not where I want to be yet, but at least I feel like right now I am making progress in the right direction at this point. So let's quickly recap for today. After you've discovered the real reasons why you're not doing what you want to do, it's time to get creative for what you can do differently in your life, or shift to make it easier to actually accomplish or to do these things. So make sure you write these down in your journal too, or you can even journal to get these ideas as well, by just allowing yourself a period of time to write down everything that comes into your mind, no matter how ridiculous it might seem to you. And then just sit back and look at what you've written and see if you can find any nuggets of wisdom in there that can help you craft a plan forward. That's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends. And I'd love to know if you got any answers that surprised you. Let me know in the comments. And until next time, make sure you take some time for you. Get outside, breathe deeply. Remember to look for and take some time to appreciate the beauty in nature, as doing this will nourish your soul. See you next time.